This is fourth edition of my unboxing videos. I'm using a little bit of different setup today. I have what's supposed to be an electric kettle. I think that's what it is. I'll open up and check. So, bought it off of Amazon. Don't ask me why I'm buying the electric kettle. I saw it. I thought I could probably use it. I bought it. It's called shopping addiction. Alright. Vosen. The brand is Vosen, V-O-S-E-N. It wasn't particularly expensive. The box is a little ripped, but alright. On top is the instruction manual. Lid, spout, kettle body, power base, lid switch. Seems like it has a power base which you put the kettle on and it heats the water, and you just pick it up off the base to pour your water. Little advertising for that company saying that if we have quality issues, they would rather us contact them than return to Amazon. Nothing else in there. Covered in plastic. Nope. Take this off. Alright, so it seems like it needs to be plugged into the wall, which is nice. I've been seeing some USB connections one, but I doubt how fast they heat up the water. This is like a standard appliance thick cable, which is nice to have. I mean, the base seems a little flimsy, but it sits flat, which is good. And it seems like a sturdy connection to the wall, like a thick appliance cable. And this just sort of sits on the top, like so. It's a pretty big size. I actually was not expecting a size as big as this. Okay, nice button. Okay, it has a little spring mechanism that opens it up. It has a little filter right there inside, if you can see that. I'm not sure what that's supposed to do. In case you put like big chunks of something in there, it will filter the water out. Doesn't smell chemically or anything like that. I cannot remove this to wash it, so I don't think I should put any tea material in here. I think I should just put water in here. Okay, I'm gonna plug it in. Seems, yeah, it just sits nice and flat. It's pretty sturdy. I mean, it doesn't look like it's gonna. This is the on-off switch right there. On-off. I'm going to plug it in and show you how fast it heats it up. Alright, so I have it plugged into the wall and the base sitting there, and pretty much the instruction manual says that you fill the jug with water and just put it on the base, and that should be it. So let's do that. And I think you just have to turn this light on, and I think that should be good to go. And I guess depending on the amount of water you put in, it may take longer or a short amount of time. I will sort of leave it on there for a good 5-10 minutes and pour and see how it feels. Is it warm or not? don't know if you can hear that, but I can hear it bubbling. I don't know if I have to turn it off. I think I just raise it off the thing. Here we go. I can see, I don't know if you can see it, but the steam coming off. Yeah, it's piping hot. And I didn't even wait a full minute. So this is, I don't know if I have to put it back on here. I guess I don't. I'll turn it off. You can see the steam coming off. Yep, I'm not going to take a sip, it's too hot. But that took less than a minute. It's pretty great. I mean, make your tea within a minute. And you can have hot water easily accessible all day. You don't have to turn on the stove. You just put it on there and you're ready to go. I would recommend it.